Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
So what we're gonna do is go into our Tracker Street, and we are on Camino Pisano. Okay. So let's go on down. Travessa, those Becos. Oh, okay.
We have a mini hot dog.
Oh, okay.
This is the crab.
Oh, crab.
Cheese crab. Mini burger.
Yeah.
And this is bacalhau. This is a Portuguese style.
Bacalhau.
Fish. Yeah.
Catfish.
Yeah. And this is shrimp.
Now you can see Domingos right there. Then you can also see our Target Street, which is all the way down that way. Okay, this is Travessa dos Becos, like Becos Lane. We're right next to Lucky Dragon Portuguese restaurant. And we got this nice little alley, some nice restaurants in here as well. And we also have this really beautiful little space right out here that overlooks Sao Domingos. And all this beautiful architecture. So I think what we're gonna do is we're going to, I'm gonna go down all the way to the end of that street. And then we're gonna walk back through that alley. I think we're gonna come out over here and try to capture the beauty of this corner. And then we're gonna end at Sao Domingos. It's just such a beautiful space over there. And you got these black and white tiles of Mercadore Street as well. And some beautiful architecture. So what we are gonna do is we're gonna start over at this Becos all the way down. And then come out all the way down over there. Lisboa Casino. So let's get started. And we'll come all the way down to Becos all the way to the end and come all the way back. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so now we're at the other end. So now we're at the end of this alley, and we're going to give you a little context of what's all out here. But we got a restaurant over here. And this street, I believe, is called, you'll see it in a second. I think it's called, got another alley over here. All kinds of cool looking alleys. It's a patio do cravo. So what we're gonna do is go into our Tracker Street, and we are on Camino Pisano. Okay. So let's go on down. Travessa dos Becos. We got this little alley. This alley is parallel with San Malo Street. And there's actually some pretty cool little patios in here as well. So we're gonna try to capture some of those. And then we're gonna come all the way out to San Malo. Not San Malo, but Sao Domingos Square. And the lights are coming on too, which is kind of lucky. Cowboy steak. Got some interesting stuff in here. Pork chop bun, pineapple style. Watches. You don't see many watches shops anymore. Here's another sandwich shop. Awesome. So here's some of these little patios. So yeah, I saw this little thing called Patio de Mestre. Hello, how are you doing? So, what's that? Is that shop
Mini burger.
Mini burger. Ah, sounds good. Maybe I'll just come over and take a look. Ah, okay.
We have a mini hot dog.
Oh, okay.
This is the crab.
Oh, crab.
Cheese crab. Mini burger.
Yeah.
And this is bacalhau. This is a Portuguese style.
Bacalhau.
The fish. Yeah.
Catfish.
Yeah. And this is shrimp.
Oh.
The fresh shrimp.
Yeah, sounds pretty cool.
Yeah.
And we're on Becos alley, and you got signature sign as well, which is over there as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, sounds good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So come on to this one in Becos Lane. So
Thank you.
thank you. So this is Becos Lane, and we also got some other stuff here too. So we got some shops, restaurants, and I also want to go into this little patio real quick. Actually, this whole space looks like something I want to film. Huh. I don't think I've been in here before. It's a dog, but I know that some of these alleys do have dogs, so that does sound a little bit familiar, so it's possible. Let's just look over here. Oh, this is really cool. I'm gonna come in here and film another time. So yeah, this is a little Beco. I don't think I've filmed it before. Huh. Anyways, there's a little Mastre. Another one. Looks like Vietnamese, I think. That looks pretty good too. Okay. Then we have another one here too. This is called Patio de Dame. Let me just walk into this one too. I'm gonna have to come over and film both of these another time. This one might be a little bit smaller. So it goes into, okay. So that actually is the end of it. So it's a small little patio. A dame. Patio du Dame. Huh. And this patio goes directly into that restaurant. I've ate at that restaurant before. I think. Maybe no. Maybe yes, maybe no. I don't know. I've ate in a bunch of them. Filipino cuisine. So this little alley has a lot of good restaurants. You got mini burgers, you got Filipino food. I think that was Vietnamese food, the other one. Little Sister Rose. Lucky Dragon. Lucky Dragon Portuguese steak. So you got some. And then this is going to turn into this. It's where we started the video originally. So this is going to be the end of our lane, but as I promised, we're going to go into Domingos. We got some really nice architecture everywhere in here as well. So I'm going to come over to the other side of the street. Oops. I'm gonna wait. Okay. So we're gonna come over to this side. And this one is Camellia Pisagna. Now we can see it goes all the way down to that green hotel. This is Central Hotel all the way down. And then this one we have all this really nice architecture right in this space. Including this one over here as well. So let me kind of navigate through here a little bit. Now we can capture it like that. Okay. Now you got a better view like that. So we can really nice architecture in here. Okay, so we are going to continue onward. But that was our target street right in that little alley right there. So just kind of a nice little space. Just kind of get out of the way. There's cars coming through here. They're all parking, I think, illegally. This is called Soriano. Yeah, that car's moving. The marketplace. Okay, let's move. There's like so much. It's like a parking lot right in here. So that was our target street down there, Becos Lane. And I guess they're like moving. They're doing the refurbishing, restocking supplies. Okay. Here's like a parking lot. And we're gonna come over here to Sao Domingos. Then this is gonna be our ending spot. Beautiful Sao Domingos Street. And that's our nice looking church right there. Let me just come over here. I want to capture the size of these doors as well. So we're going to come around to the side a little bit. That's all Sao Domingos Street. And now we're going to come over to the side of these beautiful doors right there. And now you can see the true nature of this particular Sao Domingos. Okay, and on that note, what we're gonna do is come over here slightly. Now you can see Sao Domingos right there. And then you can also see our target street, which is all the way down that way. So we did Becos. We're gonna end it right there. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.